Christina. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Today, I wanted to share with you guys my paparazzi kit. So I first got I think I got my first paparazzi necklace and earrings about, I think I'd say 2 years ago. I got it for Christmas for my grandma, and it was an absolutely beautiful set. I'll have to break it out and wear it and show you guys sometime. It's really kind of simple, but it's really beautiful, and I absolutely love it. Well, recently I started watching a former boss that I had when I worked at Dillon's, and I noticed that she was selling paparazzi, and I started watching her videos and buying stuff, and you know, buying stuff here and there, and it gets really addicting because they're only $5. So eventually I was just like, well, can I get some information on joining, because I've been buying so much, you know, it just kind of made sense to get the information at least, and it kind of just like piqued my interest. So the reason that I got the $99 kit, not just because of the money part of it, it's just because that kind of did play out into it a little bit, because I didn't have the money to put the $300. But with the $99 kit, you don't get to pick the pieces that you get in your kit. So the pieces that I get in here, I think it was like 35. I'll correct it right here if I'm wrong. But the pieces that you get in here are already chosen by them. You don't get to choose. So the reason I got this one is so that way I can see what I got in here, and then I'll go back on the website and kind of order stuff here and there so I can do live shows. So I will definitely have a Facebook page, and I'm thinking about making a VIP group for people that order, just so I can do specials for them, for, you know, the people that order and stuff. So yeah, so if you guys want to see me live, you definitely want to check out that page. I'll have that page listed down below. But if you want to see what comes in the $99 paparazzi starter kit, then just go ahead and keep watching. So of course I'm not going to show you all of the jewelry that comes in this set, but I did want to kind of share with you guys what comes in the $99 kit. I wasn't sure what came in it because I didn't look it up or anything. I just was interested in it, and I keep buying so much that it just kind of made sense for me to just, you know, kind of go for it. So the first thing on here is this beautiful paper here. I'm definitely going to have to repurpose this for stuff. It's so cute. I like it. And I really like how they have this packaged, and they even have on there that, you know, please be fragile with this package, which I'm sure they probably, you know, totally were. But I'm going to try to lift this and show you guys because it's so cool on the inside. It's so cute. It looks like this. Look how cute that is. And it says lift here. How cute is that? Yeah, so lift here. We're going to lift. Okay. So when I lifted that out, there were jewelry pieces on each side in bags, and I didn't want to lift that up because it will fall out. So I'm going to go ahead and get this middle part out and show you guys. Okay, so this is the part that was in the middle. This is absolutely beautiful, this box. I will definitely repurpose this, of course. This says, step into the spotlight on the top here, right up here. It says, step into the spotlight. A story of success begins here, and you're the star. The story is one of transformation. It's inspiring, it's exciting, and it's fashionable. By offering $5 accessories, you're creating a ripple effect that reaches beyond a party in a living room or an office break room. You are empowering women, encouraging them to revel in their true beauty and face the day with guilt-free confidence. Founder Mitzi Kirby said it best when she said, $5 jewelry may not change the world, but those who wear it will. Welcome to Paparazzi. And it's interesting because it really does make a difference for me. Like when I put these pieces on, this is a set that I bought from my sponsor before I joined, when I was watching her videos. When I put this on, it just makes me feel prettier, more elegant. It just makes me feel better about myself, and that's why I kept going back, you know what I mean? Like I have ordered from her a few times because it just makes me feel so good. And I really needed that. So that's just from me. This is what you get in here. You get a planner, which is super cute. So the planner looks like this. You open it up. Oh, it's got a little mission statement. That's cute. It's got what she said. That's so cute. I love it. And then it's just got like information, ranks, fashion fix, clientele, checklists and worksheets, and then just to where you can plan different parties and things. So that's really cute. Very pretty. I really, really like that. That's cute. Okay, I'm going to sit that down. Then we have this right here. It says Paparazzi. And this comes with hooks, which is perfect because I have a pegboard that I got the other day because I wanted to be prepared. And then it comes with these. I'm guessing these are the rubber stops for the pegboard or something. I will definitely find out when I use it. But these were all in here. I did buy extra pegboard pieces for my pegboard already. I just got to put that together. I've been trying to work on that. It's just been icy and snowing and cold here, so we haven't been able to put it together yet. But I'm going to try to get it together soon. I was really hoping to do my unboxing in a live show, like ASAP, like do an unboxing on Thursday and do a live on Friday, but it's looking like it's going to be a little bit longer than that. So yeah, if you want to see my first live, definitely stay tuned and you'll be able to, you know, catch a glimpse of some of the pieces that I got and stuff. So yeah, if you're interested in that, definitely check out my page, like I said. So then I got a letter from them. It's really cute stationery there. Then I get a little decal to put on your car. Then there is a checklist on a new consultant checklist, which is super cute. Then there is the party checklist. That's cute. To help you get ready for your party. Is this Paparazzi receipt book. So it's cool. Customer order receipt book. I actually bought a receipt book as well, so I was just a little bit prepared. Then it comes with a compensation plan brochures and customer appreciation pieces. Like if you buy 12 pieces, you get the 13th for free. And, you know, you keep track of that, or I can keep track of that, you know, just hole punch it every time or sign it or whatever. That's really cool. That's really helpful for people that want to buy from you a lot, like I was doing with my former boss. I would have gotten to that point eventually because I was starting to be like crazy. Like I was watching her video or her live video today and I was just like, oh, there's so many things I want, but I just gotta wait and order stuff myself. And you know, I might have to pick up pieces from her too. There was a couple of pieces that I won't be able to get. That's what I really like about Paparazzi so far, is that there's already so many different pieces that you just have to get on there and order every once in a while, whatever you want. Like you can do it once a month, you could order every week, but they let you just look on there every time that there's new stuff and you can order different pieces. And not everybody's going to have the same pieces, which is super cool. Then you have this right here. This is a little consultant agreement and applications. So that's cool. Then we have leadership worksheet, which is cool. And then a little just consultant info on the back here. A whole bunch of paperwork. Then you get this right here, which is awesome. I do have a bust, but not as big as this one. So I'm really excited that I got this one in here. Very cool. Then you get party invitations. Let's get the party started. Little party invitation pack. You also get a pack of thank you cards, which is super cool. Then you get a jewelry fixing kit, so you can fix all like the little pieces if anything breaks. You have little hoops, little clasps, which is really neat little thing to have. Which I already have a little bit because I have made jewelry before. I have a little hobby where I make jewelry every once in a while when I want to, just for fun. And then you get a stack of Paparazzi pink bags, which will be really great for when someone orders, just to put their order in and stuff like that. Or when you do events and stuff, that'll be really helpful. So you get everything you need for $100 for sure. This right here is Simply Santa Fe. So I'm wondering if I got this set. Maybe I did. So the Fashion Fix are like a whole bunch of pieces that are like, that go together. So they put stuff together so you don't have to worry about, does this match this, or trying to find anything that matches. So this kind of shows what comes in the Santa Fe or Simply Santa Fe kit little set thing. So I'll definitely do a video on that, of course. But then you get all the jewelry. So I'm going to show you guys just some of the stuff. A little sneak peek here, I guess. Oh, there's some pretty stuff in there. The hardest part will probably be not keeping everything. You know what I mean? Like these right here. I was just looking at these today on the website, and they're so beautiful. And I thought about getting them. And then I don't have any rings at the moment from Paparazzi. So, I mean, these are just beautiful. Can't keep everything. I cannot keep everything. So, when you guys go to my live shows, if you want something, definitely, you know, speak up so we can get it to you. So, it doesn't end up with me. My husband will very much appreciate it. Okay, and then I have a bunch of necklaces, of course. And yeah, so if you guys want to check out the stuff when I do the live show, definitely do that. They also put that bubble wrap piece on the bottom. So that's everything that you get in the set. It comes with everything you could ever need. I will probably try to put a list of everything that was in there, because some of it I didn't even know what it was quite yet. I'm just super excited about it, and I think it's really, you know, low investment for sure. Like $100+ for your own business, for the opportunity to try to make more money is amazing. Then now you already have pieces to get you started. So I think this is a really cool kit. I'm really excited to see how my first party goes. I'm really excited about it. And then I'll be able to order other stuff. And then I have some different ideas of different things I would like to do with it. And I'm really excited to see if anybody else is excited about it as I am. It's just addicting. $5, and you get these amazing intricate pieces. Like this piece right here, to me, does not look like it was $5. I mean, it's beautiful. And then they always come with matching earrings. The necklaces come with matching earrings. And then you can always pair them with other earrings too. I know my former boss, she pairs her stuff with other earrings, and she always just makes it look so amazing. I'm not that good, so I just use the earrings that come in the sets, but I am wearing a bracelet too from Paparazzi as well. So I just kind of threw a couple things together that I thought would look okay together. So we'll see how I do with that, putting stuff together. So yeah, if you guys liked this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you've ever been on my channel, or if you're just checking out just to see what's in the $100 kit, you know, I do a lot of giveaways on my YouTube channel. So definitely check out the giveaway playlist to see if I have any open giveaways and then you can enter. Those are super fun. And then comment down below. Let me know if you've ever had a piece from Paparazzi, if you're addicted to Paparazzi, or if you plan on checking out my live. Definitely let me know, because I'm super excited, and I would love it if anybody would just, even if you just come watch. I mean, you don't have to, there's no pressure. I would just love for you guys to watch and to maybe give me a little bit of like constructive feedback, because it'll be my first ever live. Like I do YouTube videos, but I feel like live is just different because you can't edit out anything. You have to be ready. You know what I mean? So I'm just working on putting together my pegboards, and hopefully I can get that done really soon. If this weather would just stop being so crazy, and my husband would have some time to help me out. We're just going to try to get that put together really soon. So hopefully we can do my live sometime next week. So yeah, if you were watching this and this was posted a few days ago, be ready for next week. Definitely check out my pages and my groups or anything listed down below. And yeah, comment down below and just say hi. I love to hear from everybody. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.